more garden fresh vegetables, broccoli and zucchini. So here we have a list of all the people who qualify for the contest by following the rules. The rules were: post below the video My Healing Garden giveaway contest, I'm in, what type of vegetable you love, and the link to your video. The link had to be presented in order to qualify, and the following people are eligible for the prize: Rick Harris, Nathan 4071, Southpaw Bushcraft, Cabot Bluegill, Carolina Chris Outdoors, Ralph Sima, Wheels Gone Wild. Now, forgive me for pronunciations on your name, especially Ralph. So congratulations to all those people for following the rules and the lines that were created. Congratulations to all those people for qualifying in the contest. Now, what I have done is type these names down into a wheel. And we're going to spin that wheel, and whoever wins, it lands on, is the winner. Now, this is totally random. I haven't done anything other than pick this site to do it. It's what they use as a random name picker for class tools. So I'll just back her up a little bit here, and below it says, if I can get my, and below it says submit. So I click, and there you see everybody's name is on one of those squares. And because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries, which is awesome, and I have my 260 subscribers, we're gonna click that wheel and see who wins. Awesome. The winner is Southpaw Bushcraft. For this prize, it's all going to go to Southpaw Bushcraft. So if you want to send me your address, I'll get that out to you right away. We're having postal issues and strikes. It should be okay, though, to get that out ASAP. Hopefully they will resolve that. So Dawn, congratulations. You are the winner of these package of wonderful prizes that I viewed earlier in one of my giveaway videos. So thank you so much. Really appreciate all the support. Each and every one of you are winners and a great community. Your videos are very inspiring, and I want to thank you all for that. Thank you.